Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is expected to open on a weak note weighed down by escalating geopolitical tensions between India and Pakistan. On Thursday evening, India's air defense system intercepted more than 50 missiles fired by Pakistan towards key border regions and also shot down 4 Pakistani aircrafts. This escalation has raised investor concerns and is likely to lead to heightened intraday volatility. Traders are advised to stay cautious and refrain from bargain hunting until the market provides a clear direction and there's more clarity on the duration of the conflict. To start with our first segment for Friday, 9th May 2025, Nifty index opened positive but slipped in the first hour and was followed by some consolidation. It was followed by the index drifting lower to 24,150 zones as India VIX spiked on account of these geopolitical concerns. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has been making lower highs from the last 4 trading sessions as some rub-off and pressure can be seen at the higher levels. India VIX was up by more than 10% to 21 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.08. Option data suggest a broader trading range in between 23,500 to 25,000 levels, while immediate range is in between 23,800 to 24,600 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,008 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 596 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 52%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 24,450, weakness could be seen towards 24,150 and 24,050 zones, while hurdles can be seen at 24,500. Bank Nifty has to hold above 54,250 for a bounce towards 55,000, while on the downside, support can be seen at 53,750. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Coforge, ICICI Bank, Titan, Ramco Cements, CG Power and HCL Tech, while weakness could continue in Jubilant Food, Godrej Properties, OFSS, Exide, Laurus Labs and SAIL. Wish you a great day and weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.